So let's start. We are going for the second part here. That is Bismillah. In the first part, I gave you the information about the first part of the lesson, that is the English clearly. And now we are coming on the Bismillah. As you know, that Bismillah is a Sahnai player. Right now he is no more. But he was a person who gave a name and fame to the Sahnai. So in the starting of the lesson, that we are having a little bit information about the Sahnai. Earlier it was a pungi, an instrument जिसको हम बीन कहते हैं. It was used to play by the people, but Aurangzeb, the Mughal emperor Aurangzeb, he banned the pungi just because of its shrill sound. उसको इसके बाद इसलिए लेके उसने बंद कर दिया. So after that, when the pungi became banned by the Aurangzeb, so people they were very upset कि why it's happened, why it's happening, what is this, that, those, whatever they can say, they were saying. So on that time, a nai means barber, a barber who made, who made an instrument which was that just like a pungi, but the sound was sweet. And he went to the emperor court, he played there, and then Aurangzeb, the same Emperor Aurangzeb permitted, just because of its sweet sound, now you can play this in the kingdom. So it was first played by Anai in the Shahi Darbar, so it started the name Shehnai. ठीक है, तो बिस्मिल्लाह खान जी ने इसके अंदर बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया शहनाई को बहुत अच्छा और पूरा एक नेम ऑफ फेम देने. So now we are going to the description about the Bismillah. He was a person who born on 21st March 1916. The place was Dumrawa, district Buxar, in Bihar. Okay. If we are thinking about the family, he was not a very, you can say, the rich person. His father was a Sahnai player who used to play the Sahnai at Bhojpur King's court. भोजपुर के जो राजा महाराजा थे उनके दरबार में क्या करते थे, सहनाई बजाया करते थे. एंड ग्रैंडफादर नेम वाज रसूल बख्श. उनके पिताजी और उनके अंकल both they were the सहनाई player at the different places. ठीक है. When he was a child, he used to live in Dumrawa and always play the gilli danda near the pond. ठीक है. जो तालाब होता उसके किनारे गिल्ली डंडा खेला करते थे. And he was living a normal life. And he used to go in a temple in the Dumrawa just because of the laddu. After the Chaita, that is a song, Chaita, the people used to sing as a prayer in the temple. When he was going there, after the finishing of that aarti and all the puja, whatever they were doing, he received a 1.25 kg laddu. वो राजा महाराजाओं का टाइम था, इतना बड़ा लड्डू मिलता है. And just because of that laddu, he used to go there, where his grandfather used to play the Sahnai also. And by that process, he got the interest to play the Sahnai. ठीक है. तो बचपन में वो वहाँ पर है. And after that, he went to his uncle who was living in Varanasi, that is now Banaras or Kashi, and he was also a Sahnai player. तो उनको देखते 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 बिस्मिल्लाह खान ने क्या किया, सहनाई बजाना सीख लिया. ठीक है. और he started to do the practice near the Bihari temple, Vishnu temple and river Ganga. उनके किनारे बैठ के घंटों रियाज करते थे और उन्होंने धीरे धीरे अपने मामा के साथ दरबार में जाना शुरू कर दिया, मंदिर में जाना शुरू कर दिया और सहनाई बजाना सीख ली. ठीक है. When All India Radio in 1931 they opened the station in Lucknow, he was the person by the Sahnai. It was. We can take the example of the India's independence. On 15 August, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and all the respected leaders were there, and the ceremony started by the playing of Sahnai. And it was the first person, he was the first person who played the Sahnai, and after that all process started. He was not famous only in India, he was also famous in abroad. विदेश भी गए. अफगानिस्तान का राजा बड़ा इंस्पायर हुआ था इनसे, बहुत सारे गिफ्ट किया, कालीन वाले पता नहीं क्या क्या। उसके बाद वो यूएसए गए, ब्रिटेन गए, जहाँ पर उनको स्टूडेंट्स ने बोला कि सर आप यहीं रुक जाइए, हम आपके नाम से क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे आपको बहुत बड़ा कॉलेज का प्रिंसिपल बना देंगे और उसके बाद फिर आप वहीं पर रहना। बोला नहीं जी, हमारा मन नहीं लगता यहाँ पे, आई एम प्योर इंडियन, आई वांट माय गंगा मैया, आई वांट Vihari temple, I want Senai and all the things. You are able to do all the things, but you are not able to provide such kind of the satisfaction. Are you not able to? Are you able to bring out the Ganga Maya here? It was not possible. इतने अच्छे ऑफर्स मिलने के बाद भी he was not giving his soul to the foreign country because he was loving to his country, his Bihar, his UP. Fine. He also tried in the so many movies. Dil Ka Khilona had toot gaya. It was a famous song on that time. But he was not getting satisfaction to working in the movie. After 2 movies, he totally refused that I would not be able to work in the movies now. Because it's all the things are now you can say that not realistic. Everything is fake here. And I am not able to live with the fake. You can take the example of the Sushant Singh Rajput case. What did the film industry do? बिस्मिल्लाह खान ने देखा कि भैया यार कुछ होने वाला है नहीं, छोड़ दिया, ठीक है। उसके बाद वो सारे अवार्ड्स, चाहे वो भारत रत्न हो, पद्मश्री हो, पद्म भूषण हो, जितने भी अवार्ड्स थे उनको मिले, ठीक है। और इन्होंने हमारे हिंदुस्तान का नाम रोशन किया। बट इतना होने के बावजूद जहाँ पे पैदा हुए डुमराव, द पीपल दे आर नॉट नोइंग अबाउट देयर नेम, इंडिया इज नॉट नोइंग अबाउट देम। भारत रत्न है, फिर भी आपको भी नहीं पता होगा बिस्मिल्लाह खान कौन, हमें भी नहीं पता होगा बिस्मिल्लाह खान कौन। तो क्या ये सही है? आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस लेसन यू कैन फाइंड आउट कि हाउ मेनी पीपल आर देयर, दे आर वेरी फेमस, दे हैव given a name to the world as an Indian, but Indian people, state government, and just because of the bad policy of the government, they are not able to get all these rights whatever they were deserving on that time. So please think about this. We have completed the 2 lessons here, and you can go to the net and you can find out so many things and facts about the Bismillah, and you can find out the pictures also. And I think that I have given the holiday homework that you have tried a file or make or file on the Bismillah. So please complete it. And this is the revision class. If you are having any doubts,